Hey guys, welcome back. After a few days I was a little bit sick. We are back with the 304, 204, 127, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. The Peugeot Cabriolet, which is actually the best way to describe it. So after I remove the carburetor, now I want to take off the fuel tank, and I have here anything that needed. It's a little bit hot today. It's very hot actually, around 35 Celsius, but I will make it. So let's get started. I don't have to take it all the way, but just enough. Let's lift her up. And a jack stand. For this part I'm going to use gloves. We have a drain plug, I think it's a 12mm. No, it's 13. Okay. There's a lot of fuel in the tank. I don't know how much fuel is going to come out, but it seems like the tank is full. The tank is full. The tank is full. Okay. I hope this container will be enough. It just seems like she's peeing, and that's fine. It takes a long time. It's starting to go a little bit slower, and I think it's the end of the tank. Meanwhile, I brought a sealed tank for taking out this fuel. Okay, I think we can return the drain plug. Okay, now to remove the tank I have 4 10mm nuts and bolts, each on each side. And I need to undo them and then just remove the tank and also the small holes. I forgot something very important. Okay, now we can take off the tank. It's so hot. It's stuck very hard. Last thing is remove the filling hose. Just by the sound of the inside of the tank, I can tell it's very dirty. Okay, let's go and clean it. I want to pour everything that's inside, that's left inside, and see what we have. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. What is that? It seems like maybe an aftermarket float that is broken inside. Let's try and continue to dig out the rest of the parts. Oh. Ah. It's the old filler cap. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow, wow. You can see inside. That's the last part I can take out. Why? But I will try anyway. I feel like I'm trying to give a birth to a fuel cap. Oh. Whoa. The fuck? There is something more inside. Let's remove the float 7, I think. I think it's a 7. Okay. I think they put silicone here. Okay, this is this is the right float, but look at that. This is the condition inside. I hope you can see something. Okay, I want to use a magnet for whatever is inside the tank. Opa! There it is. This little spring made all the noise. Okay. If I'm already here, I want to check the parking brake, because it's not operating well, as you see on the first video. We have this fork here, and it seems the cable are connected good, but I want to check what's going on when I'm pulled the lever, so I'm going inside. I think that the lever is not doing anything. It's not pulling the cable. So it's actually not the original one. So I will take it apart, but not today. Not today. I will need to look out for some lever that is suitable with this model. Let's close everything. And okay, I think that's enough for today. I will clean the fuel tank maybe in this episode, maybe on the next, I don't really know. Let's see when I have energy to edit this one. But bye for now. Okay, so I just made a video. I just uploaded the second video, and someone named Tiesto, I hope I say it right, he suggested that I should also remove the fuel pump, because the filter is after the fuel pump, and to check if there are any anyway, just to make sure I clean it as well. So that was a good advice, and I'm going to do it right now. So the fuel pump is down here, and I'm just going to take it off. It's not supposed to be a big deal. Okay, so it's supposed to be simple. Just 2 fuel lines and I think 2 bolts holding it to the crank. After removing the 2 hoses, I can see it has 1 bolt. Now it's better. So I have 1 here and another one in the same spot from the other side. I think it's a 13, and I was right. My neighbor is working in his garden, so he's making a lot of noise. But I hope it doesn't make a lot of interruption. So 1 bolt. Okay, that was not very hard. Okay, let's remove the other as well. Okay. Okay. It's not that hard. Let's keep going. Don't forget to like and comment on the video, because it's very hard for me to keep going, and your engagement is what helping me keep doing it. Okay. And okay, it seems that the seal is not, I don't have focus. It seems that the seal is not intact, and I wonder why they put RTV, because it's not hard to find seals. Also, they put RTV on the timing cover, and it sure doesn't help, because everything here is oily and leaking, and RTV and fuel doesn't get along, so it's better to find a new seal and fix this thing up. Okay, let's check out what we got here. Shall I open this side? Okay. Yep, that's not very good for the carburetor or the fuel pump. Oh, ah. Oh, ah. Wow. Doesn't look good. It's supposed to be in that color? I don't think so. Maybe I should open this part as well. And I think I have a new pump. If I have a new pump, it will make life easier for me, since I can just replace it, but I need to check. It's a T20. I think there is a spring inside. And okay. Okay. This is the diaphragm. So everyone that is wondering, the way it's work, it has a little tab connected to the crank, and every time it pump it with this tab, and then see the diaphragm, it uses as a pump, and it pumping fluid inside and up towards the carburetor. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's clean it up or look up for a new one.